Okay, this may be one of the last videos taken before she is fully painted and ready to rock. F-deck has been ground back, so she's ready to be all shiny and painted. Windows in the cabin have been cut, including the main hatchway. Looking through the rear window, 3 big old side windows, and looking out forward, same over there, and walking up front, handrail is nearly complete. Nathan hard at work. Bowsprit welded on. And she's almost about.